So hey, what's up? This is Danielle with more on Wendy Williams. In case you're wondering why you don't see her arm, let me just give you a recap on what happened with her.
It's Wednesday. As I told you on yesterday's show, I missed Tuesday's show because on Sunday I fractured my bone in my shoulder, and the size, it swelled up to the size of my thigh, and there's a fracture in it. So I don't have to have an operation, and I don't have to wear a hard cast.
If you recall yesterday, things were going kind of strange with Ms. Williams.
Our iconic hip-hop trio, Black China, is suing the Kardashians for getting her show canceled. She's blaming them because allegedly there are emails alleging that Khloe and Kylie leaked the emails alleging that allegedly fake. Kylie is saying it's...
Now, if you're like me, then you tuned in for today's episode. But, hey, there wasn't an episode, guys. Check this out. Well, it looks like Wendy decided to take a well-needed vacation one day early. So today's episode was canceled without any reason behind it. What do you guys think about that? Leave your comments down below. Wishing Wendy Williams all the best. Hoping she's able to rest and relax during this holiday season.